solution video for numbers 46 through 49 on page 106. Number 46 asks us to sketch the graph of f of x plus 1 on the inside of the parentheses here, given the graph of f of x over here. So plus 1, anything next to the x is the opposite of what you would typically think. So plus 1, we're actually going to subtract 1 from all the x values. That is going to shift our graph to the left 1 unit. So we're just going to take each point, the major points here. We've got 1 right there, 0, 0. We move them all left 1. This point moves left 1. This point up here moves left 1. So my graph's going to look, it's a pretty terrible curve, but you get the picture. Looks something like that. Number 47 is pretty similar. F of x minus 2. Minus 2 is on the outside. Anything on the outside affects our y values, and it's exactly as you would think. So minus 2 does subtract 2 from the y values. It's going to move the y's down by 2 units. So take each point, move it down 2. So moving it down 2 should look something like that. Number 48 has both a horizontal and a vertical translation in it. The plus 2, very similar to the plus 1, is going to move us left 2 units. Plus 1 tacked onto the end is going to move us up 1 unit. So take each of the important points, and we are translating left 2 up 1. So this point moves left 2 up 1. This point here, we're going left 2 up 1. That was kind of more in here. So it's going to look like so. And finally, number 49 is negative 2 times f of x. Notice nothing is happening to my x, so it's not going left, right, not getting stretched or squished in the x direction at all. We are taking the y values, though, and multiplying them by negative 2. So the x's don't change, my y's get multiplied by negative 2. So this here was at had a y value of negative 1 times negative 2 gives me a new y value of positive 2, but the x didn't change. This point has a y value of 0. 0 times negative 2 is 0. 1 times negative 2. 0 times negative 2. Negative 1 times negative 2. 0 times negative 2. 1 times negative 2. And my new curve looks like that. So notice we multiplied it by 2, so it stretched it by a factor of 2, but then it also flipped it over the x-axis.